The Rural Energy Agency is a new agency which was established under the Rural Energy Act 2005 under the Ministry of Energy and Minerals. It started its operation in April 2008 and now it's almost 2 years old. The main role of the Rural Energy Agency is to promote and to facilitate private sectors to work in the rural energy areas. So we are promoting them through technical assistance. We are facilitating them with the financing and the capacity building so that we buy down the investment cost of their projects in the rural areas. In most cases, our rural areas, many private firms do not want to engage their business in the rural areas because the return is so small. So they are not encouraged to invest in the rural areas. But what government is doing through Rural Energy Agency is to support these private firms to go to the rural areas. We provide subsidies to buy down the investment cost, at the same time to provide the affordable energy to the rural communities. Actually, the support which is receiving from the Carbon Finance Assist is on capacity building, just training the rural energy staff on the CDM issues, just because we are working with the private people who are developing the projects. So we need also to facilitate them, to support them. Those projects they look like they are carbon friendly. We just support them so that they enter into, they develop these CDM projects. Most of the projects, they are small hydropower projects. Most of them, they are renewable energy projects. So they are green energy projects. So our role is to support them. So the first training was in 2008, which we worked together with the project developers. In that training, we were able to develop 2 pins for 2 projects. One selling to the grid and some to the communities, and the other is off-grid, a mini-grid project. Well, what we have learned through CDM, some of the projects we are promoting, they are so small, so they are not viable for CDM because of the transactions. We find that it's so high. So what we are planning to do, and through this training, we are trying to engage on the POAs, so that most of the projects we bring them together. So we have a POA of these projects, like the small hydropower projects. We have potential, a number of them. So we operate them together as a POAs instead of a standalone CDM projects.